October, the beginning of fall, a season to enjoy a variety of things from fall limited recipes, hiking, new episode releases of our favorite shows, and so on. While others just love it because of the cool, crisp, and clean air that allows for taking a stroll with hair let down without a care for heating up, style lovers enjoy this time because this is when they really start putting together sophisticated outfits. A time to bundle up in cozy outfits, or as others may call it, sweater season. A time to wear stylish coats in all kinds of shapes, sizes, patterns, and materials, of course. In my case, I love this time of the year for all the colors that nature gets to offer. Most specifically the warm neutral fall colors that give us the last array and glimpses of warmth before the bleak winter comes into full force. These warm neutral fall colors range from cream, light coffee, toffee, clay, deep berry to the dark olive shades. Incorporating such colors and shades into your outfits allows for nature and fashion to form a collision, a perfect blend, and the best part is that most of these colors work seamlessly with all skin tones.